ba?
Ang sige, nga pala may vlog. Hi vlog!
Say hi! Hi vlog! So, on the way kami sa... Ba't umiiwas kayo?
Ay! On the way po kami sa Pizza Planet po. Ayun po sila sa yung driver.
Yung driver.
Yung driver natin ngayon, we gotta give credit. He's not just our friend. You know what I mean? Ang laki din ng flat. Yun yung vlog oh. Mag-high vlog ka ulit.
Where are we?
Green Hills. Wala pa, nasa parking lang tayo. Ma, Green Hills na parking na to.
Sa parking, may village doon na may parking din, Green Hills.
Alright bro. Tatawid na po.
Wala ba rin puno?
Michael.
Oh my God.
Alam ko.
Pagkatapos diretso manood tayo ng Obsession na movie.
Ay, obsession.
Pang-ordering to. Kasi nung kaninang phone gusto na gamitin.
So yun, isa yung pinakamalaki.
Ay, bro.
Nag-order ako ngayon. So,
Ito na order mo.
ito order ko. At beef barbecue nachos and chicken alfredo yung order
Type
ko.
shit.
Di ko alam order nila. Pero binigay sa akin yung camera, kaya sa akin lang.
Type shit, guys. I don't know what to say. Oh, yan yung in-order natin.
Ayun yung order. Bilis. Ano ko?
Ito niya. Ito na yung 700 pesos, guys.
Ito lang in-order namin. So, yeah, we don't have gloves.
Baka gusto niyo i-try.
May tomato soup kayo kung saan.
Oo, may tomato
dude.
soup, asparagus, and pumpkin. Plate na lang din ako din. Nasa bani.
Ito yung truffle chicken, guys.
It is. Guys, it's actually really good. Yeah, it's actually really good. Ayan. Ito na nga eh. Kasi nga sinasabi ko. And guys, I was explaining na wala pa, okay? Well, isa sa in-order ko. Ito yung isa sa in-order ni Rod. Ano mo? So, ayun. Back to Gab.
Hi! Oh my God, 6 minutes na yung video. Ang tagal yung mag-vlog. So, I'm eating sweet, ano to? Honey butter chicken wings. This is everything we ordered. Jess, what's the review?
Sarap na ito, and it's not really spicy. Kaya tubig na. Legit na hindi siya ganun ka-spicy.
Lasa mo tomato ba siya? Or...
No, it's Korean. Korean barbecue. Like, yung distinct na flavor ng Korean, malalataan.
Hi guys, it's me again. Update. Tangina, di na namin maubos.
Anyari?
Oh, hell na. Oh, hell na. Doing that. Guys, natapunan niya ng tubig yung friends. O, di ba yung sinasabi mo kanina yung tactics ng mga magaling kumain, binabasala na mo yun. Yan na.
Vlog bro. What am I even gonna say? Like, look at this chicken. Ako yung pinakamaraming kinain na chicken out of every one of these guys. Look, that guy has barely any bones. That guy also has barely any bones. Yan no, ito na lang yung chicken ni Gabriel. Yan na lang yung chicken niya. Di pa niya maubos oh. Ako pang idan ko na to. Yan oh. Tapos ito lang yung pizza ko.
Guys, someone
Although marami pa.
Ice cream.
Oh, tiramisu. Kanina to. So, sarap?
Lamig.
Ako man namang, kaya nga ice cream eh.
Ikaw, iswing mo. Yung kay Anakin, medyo ganito din, pero mas silver. Parehas na ni Vader. Ito naman.
So that door anymore. Thousand salad plates. This was time in forever. Here's the one, a picture of sophisticated grace.
Ano yan? Ano yan? What are we looking at?
Bitch.
Oh, hell yeah. Oo nga no, solid pala to.
Oh,
Oh my God.
First time in forever. Ayun, kita mo naman kung ano yun.
You good? Say bye. Vlog, say bye to the Disney shop. Bye, Disney shop.
bye.
Wala, ubus na yun. Still stuck in that time that we called it love, but even the sunsets in paradise. If happy ever afters did exist, I would still be holding you like this. Morning rain is falling and I was there for you in your darkest time. But I wonder where were you when I was at my worst, down on my knees. Now my darling's falling.
Oh, yan na. Tara na.
Yeah.
Say hi. What's that?
Baka, baka.
It's her birthday tomorrow.
Yay.
How do you feel?
Sad.
Why?
Happy. Sad. I lost my foot.
Ay, wala.
What happens if I just stay up
Ito lang.
morning and then
Ito lang.
bitter?
What?
It's bitter.
You don't like. So you won't drink any coffee?
No. I only drink hot chocolate with coffee.
Wow.
And milk.
Wow.
And orange
Chocolate with coffee?
Yeah, I mix them in a blender. And then I blend my...
Try. It's
It's not good.
Look at your teeth.
Orange, but now I want to try apple. Ayaw magpahawak.
Wow. Kaya.
Bumitaw sa akin.
Yummy?
Hot.
What happened?
Nothing.
Tumama?
No. Yummy.
Sikip na ng kalsada, diyan ka pa makikipagkwentuhan. Bigyan tanong ko sa parang niload na ano na ako ah. Inano kami ng mami mo, doon kami nag-load. Oo, kaya
Hello, kilala nito. Ay, kilala! Tagal-tagal na. Gab!
If you don't know how to spell, your parents or your guardians can write it for you. You can ask help. Okay?
Come on.
Good job.
Kiss yan.
Get ready.
In the name of the
Ewan ko lang.
and Holy Spirit ourselves, in the love and grace of God of the Lord, the Father and of the Son and the Holy Spirit.
coaching Charlotte. Good job, Charlotte. Charlotte, come up the stage.
Antok na isang mata.
We're gonna do one more surprise for everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, what we're going to have next is our raffle draw. Good job, say it out loud. It is.
Five, four, three, two, one, and then rock, guys. I got my melody.
What? Wow! That's the one you wanted, right?
Yeah.
Wow!
And you hold it there for 10, 9, 8. And we're done, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh! Hello! Hello!
Guys.
Sit down, baka mahulog ka. Disco ka. Disco ka. Disco ka.
Dito lang si Mama. Hi!
Hi, tita.
Yay!
Natural, yeah. Ikaw naman magturo sa akin. Paano mo napapangat?
Pang natin.
Come here.
NQB?
Daddy.
Ayan sa ano?
Deluxe?
Say hi.
Hello.
Wow! Ay, ilalim. Wow!
Yung mag-smile, mararamdaman ko nasa ngipin ko yung chocolate.
Ay, ang bilis. Wala pang 1 second. Inunok mo na?
Ayan na.
Ay, pati ng chocolate.
Sarap siya.
Supang naman.
Ano nga, kasi ako.